All right, hello and welcome to this section where we're going to be talking about generative AI services available in AWS. Let's have a look at this image. I really like this image because it gives three levels of bird's eye view at the different services. On the left here, you see the high level, the mid level, and the low level. In the high level, we have a very important service called Amazon Q and its different applications. And this is a great service if you want to add generative AI to your organization with a minimal selection of foundation models, with like basically no selection of foundation models. With you don't need to set them up, you don't need to do anything, and let alone any kind of machine learning coding or any kind of things that are even more sophisticated. So it's a very easy, quick way to add AI, generative AI to your organization. In the middle level, we have Amazon Bedrock. You still don't need machine learning or coding skills, but you do get the opportunity to select your foundation models, to set them up, to change the parameters, to play around with things. So it gives you a bit more control, is a bit more involved. And then at the very bottom level, we've got Amazon SageMaker. So out of all those things mentioned, SageMaker is the most important one in that bottom level, and that is the way to go if you want full control, if you want to develop your own foundation models, you want to fine-tune them, you want to create things using machine learning and engineering and have full control. You will need to be able to code, and you will need to understand machine learning concepts to work at that level. So those are the three levels. And it's very important to understand and remember this diagram for the exam. You've got Amazon Q at the top, easiest way, Amazon Bedrock in the middle, with some access to foundation models to adjust things. You still don't need machine learning. At the bottom, full control with SageMaker. Those are the services we'll be discussing, plus more in this section, and I can't wait to see you throughout these tutorials. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed today, and until next time, enjoy the cloud.